inilagay ko to dito, ito idinikit ko, over, under uli, nandito ako. Tapos apply pressure ako. Yun siya. Okay? Pwede rin na halimbawa hinawakan kang ganon. Ayun din oh. So pwedeng nanggaling siya sa strike, pwedeng simply na ipinatong lang niya.
Ano pag dumulas?
Kasi pag tumulas, alam ba pag wala eh, nakalaki, ano na eh.
Yung dito, tanggal yung
Take down pa rin. Take down pa rin siya. So, ang mangyayari, pam, kuha dito, ayun. Kaya laging meron siyang
paklik na ulo.
Keep it.
Pasok pa rin siya, side control lang.
Correct. Ganun pa rin siya. So, dito siya, tingnan nyo ha, pag take down ko, take down. Ayun o. Ano na to?
Twist lang.
Armbar. Armbar. Ready for armbar na. So, Chard, okay lang ha. So, take down ako. Dito, pwedeng nandito, armbar din siya. Okay, ngayon, nasan dito ang slicer? If I push my stick, he'll try to he doesn't know anything, no? What he's trying to accomplish is really bend the arm, ano? So this is what he wants to accomplish. So here I'm gonna loosen my stick. So what happens is, right? And this is a trap. This is already a trap. This is a slicer. So, oo. So bicep slicer pa rin. Okay? So, Richard, go. So again, strike from here, strike ulit, and then from here, take down. That's it. Then, pwede nyo i-break yan, pwede nyo i-break, pwede nyo siyang, pagka pinaba ko, if I loosen the grip, so ang gagawin yan, kukunin niya yan. So yun na yung ating, okay, so nandun na yan, pwede na siyang kukunin dito. If not, kuwari, nasa ground nga kayo, manage kayo dito, na-i-break nyo to, no? Okay, pag inilagay nyo to doon, ang gagawin niya, ito rin, ito, pwede niyang ilagay dito. Then, dito na ngayon. Okay? So, meron na kayo ditong crowbar. Tinatawag. So, pwedeng ito ang pumunta dito. Pwedeng ito ang pumunta doon. Different entry. Okay? Richard, thank you. Okay. Pero, what I want you to do is the takedown muna. The lock and then the takedown. So again, coming from here, scrape the weapon, disarm, strike again, and then put it here. Kasi if you do not put the hand here, so different entry, no? If this fails, like for example, you said it slips, palm transition naman dun sa ibang entry. So transition now, then from there, take down na naman. So you shouldn't stop. If your technique fails, you have to transition fast. And knowing the flow, because we have what we call the baston dumog flow. So it's a series of flow. Okay? Let me see if I can still remember, no? So first, dahan-dahan, slowly. So I want you to push me. I deflect it here. I strike. First is here. No? Second, it could be here. It could be here. No? And then come back. And then from there, then this one here. No? I can use, go, push, then dito. So marami siya, maraming ito, here, in here. Oh. No. So, from here, marami siya. So, different, no? Dito. Ayan. Strike. Ito na yun. Ayan. Because this is longer. This is longer weapon. So from here, I strike. Back here. Come back here. Ito na. So this is a block. So if you know the flow, then it's not difficult na you transition. But if you only have like 3 flows, so that's not enough, no. So ganon. In this technique, first here, roll. Okay, roll. So this one's here. Now insert. Okay. Over the stick, under the bicep, and reach for the ear. And take down. So this has a... Okay? Try natin. Okay, sige. Try natin.